Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is an A2 level grammar lesson. We're going to be talking about modal verbs using can and could for modals of ability. So first we'll match the pictures to the sentences. So this robot can understand spoken English. That would go with picture C. I can't reach it. Picture B. And can you believe it? Picture A. Now try to correct the sentences. Go ahead and try these on your own and then restart the video when you're ready to check your answers. So I can't to finish my work tonight. I'm going to complete it tomorrow. So you don't need to. It just should be I can't finish my work. I can swimming very well. I started when I was 8 years old. You don't need the ing ending. So it's I can swim very well. They cannot play tennis, but they play football well. Here you don't need the S on the verb. So it just would be they cannot play tennis. Hey Jeff, can you two come to our party next week? We don't need the to. It would just be can you come? Penelope can't cooking. She gets fast food almost every night. Again, we don't need the ing ending. It's just Penelope can't cook. Alright, so we're just going to review the uses for can. So there's possibility. I can come on Saturday because I am free all day. Ability. I can't climb that tree. I'm not very strong. And permission. Caitlin can't come next week because her parents said no. In the negative, we can use can't and cannot, but we usually use can't in spoken English. Alright, so now add can or can't and one of the verbs from the boxes. You can pause the video, try that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. You need to turn up the music. I can't hear it. I can't find my wallet. Have you seen it? You can take the subway from Queen Station to Union Station. It only takes 5 minutes. They gave the job to Peter because he can speak French, Spanish, and English. All right, now ask some questions of these people. So, can Emily snowboard? Can Jen play the violin? Can Yasmin play the piano? And can Drew use a laptop? Now match the pictures to the sentences. When I was young, I could swim very well. And that would be picture B. I couldn't sleep at all last night. Picture C. And could you understand her? Picture A. So could is the past form of can. For possibility, ability, and permission, we use could and couldn't as the past of can and can't. So I can come to the restaurant tomorrow evening, but I couldn't do my homework last night. Before she came to Canada, Sophie couldn't speak English. Now she can speak it very well. Right, so now decide whether you need can, can't, could, or couldn't. I am so tired today. I couldn't sleep last night because the neighbors were making too much noise. Okay, Cheryl can't come to the wedding next week, but her boyfriend can make it. I wanted to call you, but I couldn't remember your phone number. And when I was young, I could dance very well. I couldn't come to the party last week because I was unwell. Did you know that your father could play football very well when he was at university? Sarah can't come to the cinema tonight because she has a lot of homework. We can meet tomorrow because I have some free time. John felt sick yesterday, so he couldn't eat anything. I can help you find your keys. I will look for them in the house. When Paul was young, he could swim very well. He won medals. I have to go. I am late. I can't talk now. Bye. Right? We're going to match the pictures to these sentences. Can you run 10 kilometers? That would be picture B. Can we meet you outside the theater? Picture A. And can Jane ski? Picture C. Right, so to form a question with can, we're just reviewing this. So you use the can or can't, then the subject, then the verb, and the rest of the sentence. So can I play tennis? Can you read Spanish? Can he paint portraits? Can she work tomorrow? Can it clean pots? Can we cook pizza? Can they drive tonight? So now we're going to use can plus a verb in the questions. So can you speak English well? Can she come with us on holiday? We are coming to town on Saturday. Where can we meet you? Mom, can I go outside? I finished my homework. Okay, now you're going to put these words into the right order to make some questions. The first one, can finish your homework on time you, should be, can you finish your homework on time? So go ahead and try these on your own and then restart the video when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, to number 27, can they come to the meeting? Can we buy tickets today? Can you hear that terrible music? Can Alex and Martha come to the party this weekend? Okay, so again, just some review. The uses for can. Possibility. I can come to dinner on Thursday. Humans can't live on the moon. Ability. I can jump over that wall, or he can't reach the top shelf. And permission. Yes, you can go to the cinema, be home by 10 o'clock. No, you can't go outside, finish your homework. We could also use can and could for request. A request is when you ask for something. Could you please bring me the menu? Could you please open the door for me? Could you hold the phone, please? I will just get him for you. Okay, we'll match these pictures with the sentences. Can you please pass the salt? That's picture A. Could you bring a bottle of mineral water? Picture B. And can you look after the children tonight? Picture C. So can versus could for requests. So can is used for informal requests from friends and family members. Can you help me with this bag? And could is used for formal requests. Could you repeat the question? But in most cases, either can or could can be used. It's just that can is a little more informal and could is more formal. So make some requests using can or could. So this one would probably be, could you open the door? Could you please pass the salt? Can you turn off the music? Could I use your pen? Can you look after the children? Could you repeat the question? Can you take the newspaper? Could I borrow $20? When we use can I or could I, we're asking, is it okay? So can I borrow some money? Or can I come with you? Can or could for requests refer to now and the future. So you can try putting these together to make some requests. You can pause the video and write these on your own. There are lots of different possibilities. Can I borrow your phone? Could I borrow $50? Can I take your number? Can I have your magazine? So you can put these together in any combination. All right, so we're going to make some formal and informal requests. You'll put these words into the right order in order to make those requests. Pause the video while you do this, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, so the first one, can I borrow your suit for the party on Saturday? And then, oops. Could they bring a bottle of mineral water to dinner? Can you help me with my homework tonight. Could you wait a moment? And can you hand in your homework by tomorrow? All right, and that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions, leave those for me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.